Good day, traders. This is Rick with your Futures Trading Coach Aftermarket Update for the live Trading Alert Call Room. Today is Friday, January 13th. I'm going to run through real quick what we did today. Here, starting from left to right, we had a long trade in gold. And that one went up from 1191.3 up to, it actually went up further, but before the room closed. It went up here and then it pushed up here a little bit more, and then it kind of failed. It did finally go up after the room closed, but we all had to be flat anyway. Anybody who had multiple contracts went up from 1191.3. Target was 494.6, and it actually went up to 95.6. So 91.3. First major target was about 34 ticks, and then it went up actually about 44 ticks at the top. So between 34 and 44 ticks, and that was a nice trade. Then we tried to get short after that, and we tried that 2 times after it topped out up here. Anybody who was out of the trade would try to get short. That was around 1194. 1194.3 to 1194.5. That was after the 957 candle closed, and that one worked out, for about 10, 12 ticks. Really no follow through after that. It went up a little bit and then came back down. So between 94.3 and 94.5, and that one worked out for up to about 20 ticks. Now, for people who didn't get in this or got out of it, only had one contract, I offered another entry, and that was at 93.4, and that was on the 1024 candle, and that one made about 12 ticks. So up to 20 ticks from here, 8 to 10 here. Likely nobody took 12, but possible. And that was nice in the gold. And then in the crude, we had a long trade in crude. The long trade in crude was just before 9 o'clock. That was at 8:45 Central Standard Time. The price was 52.85. 52.85. And that one went up for about 15 ticks or so. And then we got short on crude. That was down at 52.37. Not a whole lot of follow through on that one. It made 10 ticks, so it would have been up to 8 to 10 ticks or a break even, because anybody who tried to go for more would have moved their stops so they couldn't lose on the trade, and then they would have gotten taken out. So 8 ticks or a break even. And then on the ES, we tried to short against the big trend, told everybody that it was coming down. It was just a matter of time, and it might not happen before the room, but we tried it. We got short on an understanding trade, 2070 quarter. We added up a 2072 quarter, and you'll see here easily we were able to get out when it came back down for a break even. So we're going to come back to, we're coming back on Tuesday, and that ES trade did actually work. You could have hit it again here, but the room was already closed. Did work for almost 3 points over there. But we're going to come back on Tuesday. Monday's a holiday, Martin Luther King, and we'll be back on Tuesday. Everybody have a great weekend.